Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your iPhone ghost touch issue. Step 1. Clean the screen properly. Dust, sweat or moisture can trigger ghost touches. Turn off your iPhone, wipe the screen with a soft dry cloth. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. Then turn the phone back on. Step 2. Remove your screen protector. Low quality or cracked protector can confuse the touch sensor. Carefully peel the screen protector. Try the screen again. If ghost touch stops, replace it with a good quality one. Step 3. Remove your phone case. Some tight or magnetic cases can press your screen or cause interference. Remove the case, test the screen. If it works fine, your case was the problem. Step 4. Force restart your iPhone. A software glitch may cause random touches. Quickly press volume up, then side button, then slide to power off, then turn back on again. This refreshes the touch system. Step 5. Update iOS. Apple obtain fixes touch box in updates. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install the latest update. Step 6. Reset all settings. If ghost touch still happens, go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then reset. Choose reset all settings. This won't delete your photos or apps. Step 7. Test in safe area. Overheating can cause random screen touches. Keep the phone cool. Avoid charging while using heavy apps. Test again after it cools down. After those steps, most ghost touch issues are fixed. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.